When I graduated in 2002, I was absolutely fascinated with automotive engineering and its possibilities. Each day, I am embracing new challenges, seeking out opportunities, and continuously pushing the boundaries of what's possible. In my association with Tata Technologies for last 13 years, I have been fortunate to work with 5 global OEMs across 5 geographies and on some incredibly exciting projects. From designing cutting-edge technology components for a luxury segment OEM to optimizing manufacturing processes to leading customer engagements for Southeast Asian OEM, each project has presented unique opportunities for growth and learning. I start my day quite early with quick meetings with my teams working for 2 different OEMs. We are working on a crucial program for a global OEM looking to make a footprint in the Indian market. The task at hand is to reduce the cost of a car which is already launched by 6 to 8%. One team with customer is not just a value, it's the foundation of our work. We embody this in everything we do, from our daily interactions with customers to the innovative solutions we develop. It's not just about the technical aspects of our work, it's also about the human connections we forge. I am on a journey towards engineering a better world with perseverance, collaboration, and constant growth.